Today at Secret Super Chef we have Hyderabadi Red Chicken, a very famous chicken dish that is usually had during the wedding festivities. This is a one bowl marination recipe. It's very easy, very quick and very delicious. Let's begin with the recipe. First, we are going to prepare our marinade. For that, let's dry roast some dry coconut, almonds and cashew nuts. Just dry roast them till golden brown. Transfer it to a mixer jar, add little water and grind to a nice thick paste. For this recipe, I have taken 1 kg boneless chicken. Add our paste to the chicken. Add 250 grams of thick curd, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Tandoori Masala, squeeze juice of 1 lemon, now add 4 tablespoon red chilli sauce, 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoon green chilli sauce, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons, clarified butter or ghee 3 tablespoons, add some freshly crushed black pepper, add 1.5 teaspoon soy sauce, adjust the salt as per your taste, gently mix everything together. If you want, you can mix all the marinade ingredient in one bowl, whisk it and then add the chicken too. Our marinated chicken is ready. I prefer overnight marination, but if you do not have time, you can marinate this for 2 hours as well. After an overnight marination, we are all set to cook the chicken. Transfer the marinated chicken in a big pot and cook on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. While it's still frying, add 2 to 3 green chilies, few coriander leaves, few mint leaves. Here I'm also adding 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Stir everything while still frying the chicken on high flame. Let's add one final ingredient. Here I have fried onions. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, fried them till golden brown, refrigerated this for 30 minutes so the onions become easy to crush. Crush the onions thoroughly because we don't want those onion strands coming in our gravy. Add it to our chicken. Do not add water to our chicken gravy. Give one final stir, lower the flame and cover the chicken and let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Keep stirring in between. After almost 40 minutes, the oil is separated, the gravy is thickened and our chicken is nicely cooked. To make the dish a little more creamier, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons cream here. You can use fresh malai as well. Though this is optional, but gives richness to our chicken gravy. Our finger-licking chicken gravy is ready. Have it with fresh Roomali roti or paratha. It tastes yum. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like our recipes, subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Thank you.